Today is my topic is Job Responsibilities and Duties of Hotel Manager in Bangladesh 2022, and I hope this video will really help you to understand that what are the duties and responsibilities of hotel manager in Bangladesh. So before to start this video, who still didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and keep watching this video. Hotel manager duties and responsibilities. Number 1. Monitor the coordination between the different parts of a hotel to ensure smooth and efficient operations. Number 2. To review customer satisfaction and service recovery process. Number 3. Oversee the orienting and training of hotel staff to ensure maximum revenue for management. Number 4. Organize training programs to enhance the job skills and performance of hotel personnel. Number 5. Monitor the accounts receivable, accounts payable, and purchase requisitions of each hotel department. Number 6. Inspect hotel stores to check available stock and determine the need for stocking. Number 7. Communicate with the marketing staff to develop and implement strategies for growing the business. Number 8. Hire contractors and deal with vendors to ensure provision of high quality products and services. Number 9. Schedule work shifts and tasks to hotel staff according to their specialty. Number 10. Collect payments and record all expenditure and generated revenue. And number 11. Contact clients to schedule and plan the details of an event or conference. Thank you for watching this video.